sure we've all witnessed how quickly a single yawn can spread through a room like an invisible wave. But what exactly is yawning? Why do we do it, and what makes it so contagious? Join me as I delve into the biology of yawning, its benefits, and the reasons behind its seemingly infectious nature. Yawning is an involuntary action characterized by a deep inhalation of air, a stretching of the eardrums, and a slow exhalation. This common yet enigmatic behavior has been the subject of numerous scientific studies, each attempting to uncover the underlying mechanisms and purposes of yawning. Now, despite extensive research, the precise cause of yawning remains elusive, leading to a variety of theories that seek to explain this ubiquitous reflex. From a physiological perspective, yawning plays several vital roles in maintaining the body's optimal functioning. One of the most prominent theories suggests that yawning helps regulate brain temperature. The human brain is highly sensitive to temperature changes, and even slight variations can affect cognitive performance. When we yawn, the influx of cool air into the mouth and the increased blood flow to the brain can help reduce its temperature, thereby improving alertness and cognitive function. This thermoregulatory function of yawning is particularly important during times of stress, fatigue, or boredom, when the brain's temperature may rise due to increased metabolic activity. In addition to regulating brain temperature, yawning also appears to play a role in maintaining lung function. By taking a deep breath, yawning stretches the lungs and surrounding tissues, enhancing lung capacity and oxygen intake. This process can be particularly beneficial during periods of drowsiness or boredom, as it promotes wakefulness and helps to maintain focus. The deep inhalation associated with yawning ensures that the lungs are adequately ventilated, preventing the buildup of carbon dioxide and ensuring that the body receives sufficient oxygen. Beyond its physiological functions, yawning also has several social and psychological benefits. One of the most intriguing aspects of yawning is its role as a nonverbal form of communication. Yawning can signal tiredness, boredom, or even empathy to those around us, providing a subtle yet effective means of conveying our internal state. This nonverbal communication can be particularly useful in social situations, allowing individuals to express their needs and emotions without the need for words. One of the most curious and well-documented phenomena associated with yawning is its contagious nature. Observing someone yawn often triggers a mirrored response in the observer, a phenomenon known as contagious yawning. This contagiousness is thought to be linked to the brain's mirror neuron system, which is responsible for mimicking observed behaviors. Mirror neurons are a type of brain cell that fires both when an individual performs an action and when they observe the same action performed by another. This mirroring mechanism is believed to play a role in social learning and empathy, allowing individuals to understand and share the emotions of others. This finding supports the idea that yawning may play a role in strengthening social ties and promoting group harmony. By yawning in response to another's yawn, individuals may be demonstrating empathy and social cohesion, reinforcing the connections that bind them together. Yawning also has several psychological and social dimensions that extend beyond its immediate physiological effects. For instance, yawning can serve as a form of emotional release, helping individuals cope with stress and anxiety. The act of yawning triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers and mood enhancers, which can help alleviate feelings of tension and promote a sense of relaxation and well-being. In social contexts, yawning can act as a subtle cue that influences group dynamics and interactions. For example, in a classroom or meeting setting, a single yawn can signal to others that it's time for a break or that the current activity is becoming monotonous. This nonverbal communication can help groups regulate their activities and maintain a balance between focus and relaxation. Additionally, yawning can play a role in establishing social hierarchies and dominance. In some animal species, dominant individuals yawn more frequently and visibly than their subordinates, using yawning as a way to assert their status and control over the group. While this behavior is less pronounced in humans, it suggests that yawning may have deeper social and evolutionary significance than previously understood. The contagious nature of yawning is not just limited to humans. It's been observed in other social animals like chimpanzees, dogs, and even certain bird species. This cross-species occurrence suggests that the phenomenon has deep evolutionary roots and serves as a fundamental purpose in promoting social cohesion and group coordination. For instance, in a pack of wolves or a troop of chimpanzees, contagious yawning may help synchronize the group's activities, ensuring that all members are alert and ready to respond to potential threats or opportunities. Interestingly, research has shown that contagious yawning is influenced by several factors, including the observer's level of empathy and their relationship with the yawner. Individuals who score higher on measures of empathy and emotional sensitivity are more likely to experience contagious yawning, as are those who share a close bond with the person yawning. This finding underscores the role of yawning in fostering social connections and highlights its potential as a tool for promoting group harmony and understanding. The study of yawning has also yielded valuable insights into various clinical and therapeutic contexts. For instance, abnormal yawning patterns can serve as indicators of underlying health conditions like sleep disorders, neurological diseases, and even psychiatric conditions. Excessive yawning, for example, is often associated with conditions that affect the brainstem, like multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease. By studying yawning patterns and their underlying causes, researchers can gain a better understanding of these conditions and develop more effective diagnostic and treatment strategies. In therapeutic settings, yawning can be used as a relaxation technique to help individuals manage stress and anxiety. Techniques such as progressive muscle relaxation and deep breathing exercises multifaceted behavior with intriguing biological, psychological, and social dimensions. While much about yawning remains to be discovered, what we do know highlights its importance in maintaining physiological balance and fostering social connections. From its role in regulating brain temperature and enhancing lung function to its significance in nonverbal communication and social bonding, yawning serves as a testament to the complexity and interconnectedness of our biology and social lives. So the next time you find yourself stifling